Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use sports prediction markets on Robinhood and explain how they work. So before we begin, it's important to understand that Robinhood does not operate like a traditional sports book. You won't find a standard sports betting section with bookmaker odds. Instead, Robinhood offers access to event contracts, which are prediction market products regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Rather than placing a conventional wager, you're trading contracts based on the outcome of real world events. For example, a contract might ask a question such as: will Team A win this week's game, or will the total score finish above a specific number? So, to get started, you could open the Prediction Markets Hub within the Robinhood app. And once you're there, browse or filter the available events and select the sports category you're interested in. Next, choose the matchup or event contract you'd like to trade. You'll then see the available outcomes typically represented as yes or no. So select the outcome that matches your prediction. After that, enter the number of contracts you'd like to purchase. For example, you may decide to buy 100 contracts depending on your strategy and risk tolerance. That's the basic process for participating in sports related prediction markets through Robinhood. Unlike traditional sports betting, you're trading regulated event contracts tied to specific outcomes.